How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War fatal error. Here's how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War fatal error. 1. Try updating existing graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War as an administrator. 3. Temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall, Windows Security, and / or any other third-party antivirus software. And make sure your Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War is allowed to run in current security-related settings. 4. Scan and repair existing installation of Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. 5. Update your Windows operating system to the latest version.